This is tutorial number 36, and it covers how to make AVI files and eDrawings from a COSMOSXpress analysis. Now, using the analysis that we just created in our last tutorial, all we have to do is click the COSMOSXpress analysis wizard, and we already have all of our data created and saved. Now, when you're on the results tab, just click next, and we're able to choose from any of these options. Now, if we want to see the stress distribution in the model, click it and click next, and we're able to see where the highest points of stress are within the model. The highest points of stress are closest to the edges there, and when you press play, you're able to see the motion of the model when the force is applied, and as the force is applied, where the most stress is occurring. Now, if we click stop, we're able to save this demonstration as an AVI file. All you have to do is click save, and now we've created an AVI file to distribute to potential clients or for other people to see. Now if we click back, we can show the displacement distribution in the model. Click that option, click next, and we can see that the greatest displacement is at the very tip out here. Now if you click play, again, you can see it as it increases and as it decreases. Click stop, and you're able to save this also as an AVI file. Now let's go back. Now we can see the deformed shape of the model. Click next, and it's exactly the same, it just doesn't show the shaded areas. If you click play, it does the same thing and it moves around. Click stop, and let's save this too. Click save. Now let's go back and let's click generate eDrawings. Now when we do this, we're actually generating an eDrawings model of the stress distribution, the displacement distribution, and the deformed shape of the model, and also the factor of safety. So we're going to have 4 eDrawing files at the end. So click next, click save, and it's creating all 4 models. Click yes, and that concludes our tutorial on how to make AVI file and eDrawings from the COSMOSXpress analysis.